Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this beautiful look. If it's something you might be interested in, keep watching. So I already have my hair parted into two half front and back. So I'm going to start with cornering my the front part of my hair, as you can see me doing. So I'm going to cornrow it to the back, like just cornrow it halfway. So that's what I'm going to do for the entire front part of my hair. At this part, I was done with cornrowing the front part of my hair. So now I'll go ahead to braid the back side, but I'm going to part it because I'm gonna be like linking the hair from the front all the way to the back. So just watch what I'm doing. So here I'm gonna part my hair from the back because I'm gonna be linking it towards the one I just parted at the back part of my hair. Same thing I'm gonna do, part this part of my hair and cornrow, then attach it with the one I just left out. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing, like linking them up till I'm done with all my entire hair cornrowing. So this is it. I'm done with the cornrow of my entire hair. I'll just go ahead to apply my homemade oil line by line on my scarf and massage it gently into my scarf. So now this is the hair I'm using, Yanky twist, and this is 10 pack of Yanky twist hair, crochet hair, and this is how it looks inside. It's like 30 pieces in one pack. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you guys know the amount of hair I use for my style. This is the first time also trying this hairstyle, and I saw this hairstyle from a lady on TikTok and it was giving all the good looks, the beauty, and I went to YouTube to check out the style, and I saw so many ladies out there how they were working this style, and I said to myself, I gotta try this. Like, I gotta try this on myself. Let's see how it's gonna look. And today I am trying it on my hair, this Yanky twist. So I'm just trying to I'm using one piece of hair, crochet braid hair. So some people make use of two, but I'm using one because I just want the hair to be very full. I want to take my time to make this hairstyle for myself. So that's why I'm using one piece, and I'm starting from the front part of the hair till just starting from the front part of the hair, as you can see me doing here. So just watch closely so you can understand and see how I'm able to crochet this Yanky twist into my hair. So this is another view, just showing you guys. This is actually the back of the hair. I'm able to crochet it just using one piece to crochet the hair, just showing you guys. And I'm already loving the look of the hair so far. At this part, I was almost done with crocheting my entire hair, just remaining few pieces to add to the hair, and I'm done with crocheting. And here we go, I was done, and trying to get my scissors and to trim out some of the hair just to make it look nice and clean. That's what I'm actually doing right now. It was time to lay some of those babies' hair down with some eco gel or sham and jam, whether anyone you have, and I give it some spray, use some spray on it, and this was it, guys. It took me 3 hours to make, and I used 9 pack of the Yanky twist extension, and guys, this is really looking so gorgeous and beautiful, and I am really loving the color. The color is so attractive and I'm loving it. It is super easy, simple to make at the comfort of your home while going to a salon, and to mention it's lightweight. This hairstyle is giving, and I'm also going to be sharing how I was able to style different style I did for this hairstyle. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye.